Hi everyone, I'm going to show you today how to do hexagons. My name is Jane, as probably some of you already know. I'm going to do 3 different types of hexagons, one on this video and then there'll be 2 other videos to follow. We're going to work on the plain hexagon first, but before I start showing you, I just want to show you how all this evolved, tell you all about it. It was during the lockdown. I couldn't get together with my crochet group, so we did all this hexagons as a team on Zoom and on WhatsApp and produced some of these lovely blankets were made by my students, and they're all going to go to charity around Christmas time, and I brought some in to show you. Anyway, back to the plain hexagon, which is the first one we're going to do.